Now, yung issue naman kasi na sinasabing ang PhilHealth babayaran yung mga may, aside from the fact that it's contributing to the scare of the general public, mahirap pong paniwalaan kasi kaliwat kanan po ang mga ospital and even testing centers and private clinics ang nagsasabi na milyon-milyon na, umaabot na ng ilang bilyon at hindi pa sila nababayaran ng PhilHealth. Huwag nating dagdagan yung pangamba ng tao by saying na, dito may pera kami, pag magka-komplikasyon kayo, ibabayaran namin kayo. It's really sending wrong signals. Let us focus the discussion. Paano po ba yung isang bakuna nagkaroon ng aksyon sa loob ng katawan ng tao? At kapag ikaw'y nabakunahan, what to expect, what not to expect, what are the benefits that it will give you? It is not important at this point of time to discuss yung mga sinasabing isi-shoulder ng PhilHealth because PhilHealth should instead focus on paying the collectibles of many hospitals, especially government hospitals, para naman po may panggalaw sila. So, dyan po or PhilHealth can actually instead decide to cover the vaccination program of those who are in the poverty line, below the poverty line.